The CEO of the ecosystem has revealed some huge updates that are intended to burn trillions of SHIB tokens. The Shiba ecosystem is making things really interesting in the cryptocurrency markets. You can't afford to miss this video if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or if you own any SHIB tokens. What recent news is there about Shiba Inu coins? And how will all of this impact the Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But first, let's check at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on February 3rd before moving on to our issue. The cost of a Shiba Inu is now around 910 units, with $69 million worth of trading activity over the course of the previous day. SHIB's price has increased by 0.7%. The token is now the 19th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market worth of more than $5.3 billion. Note that these prices may have changed by the time you saw the video, and that the information provided here is not intended to be financial advice. Let's start the video for today. Details show that around 10 billion Shiba Inu burnt in January. For Shiba Inu, January 2024 was a banner month as the cryptocurrency burned through over 9.9 billion SHIB tokens. New statistics from Urgunt, the analytics tool for Shiba Inu burn, indicates how many SHIB tokens were burnt in January 2024. An intriguing incident occurred in January when Shiba Inu saw the burning of about 10 billion SHIB tokens. 9.93 billion SHIB tokens in all, according to the statistics, were transferred to inactive cryptocurrency wallets. SHIB burn in January is lower than the record for December. It is important to note that the quantity of SHIB tokens destroyed in January 2023 pales in comparison to the quantity of tokens burned in December 2023. During the month of December, almost 36 billion SHIB tokens were destroyed. Shibarium-powered burns started in December, which caused a large spike in the amount of SHIB burnt. As previously reported, 33.4 billion was burned in 4 transactions over the course of 18 days using a part of the Shibarium gas fees. Earlier this month, the Shiba Inu ecosystem team famously started the 6th Shibarium burn, removing an astounding 9.35 billion SHIB from circulation in a one transaction. 9.93 billion tokens were burnt this month, including a significant contribution from the Shibarium-powered burn that began on January 9. Even while it seems very large, it's important to remember that the number just reflects a small portion of Shiba Inu that are currently in circulation. There are now 581.31 trillion SHIB tokens in circulation after approximately 410.7 trillion of them were burned as of the time of writing. Burn rate on SHIB increases by 191.97%. In the meantime, throughout the previous 24 hours, Shiba Inu's burn rate increased by 191.97%. The significant increase in the burn rate is the result of 15.22 million SHIB, roughly $135, being delivered to the burn address in the last 24 hours. Holders of SHIB seek greater burns. Even if a sizable portion of SHIB tokens have been burned since Shiba Inu's launch, the community still believes the number is insignificant in comparison to the quantity that is now in circulation. Members of the Shiba Inu community have thus urged the team to escalate burns by raising Shibarium gas costs. The company anticipates that Shibarium's inexpensive charge will provide the Layer 2 blockchain an advantage over other networks, accelerating its uptake. Meanwhile, the business has started the process of automating Shibarium SHIB burns. Before making its mainnet debut, the automated burn site will be deployed to Pupanit for sufficient testing, as the Crypto Basic reported. Would you kindly like, share, and subscribe to this video if you are still viewing it? Clicking the like button would be very appreciated. It doesn't cost anything and greatly helps in the channel's funding. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments about the Shiba Inu currency. How to connect Bone from the Ethereum mainnet to Shibarium is explained by the Shiba Inu team. The second largest meme token, Shiba Inu, has made great progress with the release of an easy-to-use bridge that enables the smooth transfer of Bone Shiba Swap tokens to the eagerly awaited Shibarium layer of the network. This innovation solves enduring scaling issues and opens up fascinating opportunities for the Shiba Inu community. Filling the vacuum, the official Shiba Inu X account has created a video tutorial with simple instructions to make the relocation procedure as smooth as possible. You may move your Bone tokens in this way. Initially, confirm that a Web3 wallet like as MetaMask is where your Bone tokens are kept. Go to the Shibarium Bridge official website. Just click the Connect button to connect your wallet and make sure you only visit legitimate URLs. Click Transfer after entering the number of Bone tokens you want to move. The transaction must be approved by you using your wallet. Remember that there are 2 transactions involved in this procedure, and they might take up to 20 minutes to complete. Use the Shibarium blockchain tracker website to add the network and see your Bone tokens on Shibarium inside MetaMask. Although staking and delegation functions are not presently supported by Shibarium, the bridge speeds up transactions and lowers expenses for Bone holders. This is in line with Shibarium's objective of enhancing user experience and scalability within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The amiable group of Shiba Inu, known as the Shib Army, has embraced the bridging guide with open arms. Many users have already moved their Bone tokens successfully, demonstrating the community's steadfast excitement and active participation. The public applauds, but doubts remain. The community is excited about Bone's successful early migration, since many are looking forward to Shibarium, where Bone can reach its full potential. This offers possible large profits in addition to increased usefulness for Bone holders. Still, a few important questions remain. First and foremost, community participation and wider acceptance of Shibarium depend on having a clear roadmap outlining the growth strategy and long-term ambition. It's time for the video's primary plot now. Experts on Finder expect a 450% increase for Shib. This one is here. This year, Shib has had little to no positive price movement and has been trading mostly on the defensive. The coin with a dog motif is going through a difficult period, which is causing investors lose faith in its future. Nonetheless, the experts on the Finders panel continue to be optimistic about Shiba Inu, projecting a 450% increase in Shib. We will emphasize the times when the experts on the Finders panel predict that Shiba Inu might increase by 450%. Present investors may benefit greatly from the increasing trend, which would increase the size of their portfolios. Experts on the Finders panel speculated that the price of Shiba Inu would increase by 450% in 2025 or thereabouts. Before the end of 2025, Finders predict that Shib will hit a new high of 4930 units. That represents a 450% increase in return on investment over its current value. Therefore, assuming the Finders forecast comes true, a $10,000 investment made today may become $55,000 at some point in 2025. Keeping on to Shib for more than a year might pay off, the experts panel estimates. Still, the cryptocurrency market is very volatile and follows movements throughout the world. I wouldn't place a large stake on Shib since there's no certainty that the project would see a 450% increase by the following year, which would make investors rich. Additionally, the project is high risk. Because they trust in the Shiba Inu developers and the real world worth of Shib, many of our subscribers say that they will not be selling Shib for the next 5 years and will instead keep millions of them. What many of ones do you guys have? Remember to provide a list of your Shib holdings in the following comments area. Let's give the Shib Bureau credit for having faith in the procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. In order to get updates whenever we upload a new video, don't forget to enable post notifications.